So first of all, Happy Republic Day to all of you. Now we are going to celebrate 76th Republic Day this year. So one by one, we will discuss on our Republic Day, why we are celebrating Republic Day, and means actually Republic Day is related to our Constitution. Means what has happened on this day, 26th November 1949, and what has happened 26th January 1950. Actually, first our Constitution has completed on 26th of November 1949, and last meeting was held 26th November 1949. But our Constitution was implementing at 26th January 1950. Okay. So now I am inviting one by one. First I am inviting Ayush Mistry. Ayush will tell you about why we are celebrating Republic Day and what is the meaning of Republic. Republic का हिंदी मीनिंग क्या होता है? गणतंत्र. Okay. Actually, so many students are little bit confused. Independence Day and Republic Day. So it's an Republic Day, not an Independence Day. Okay. Independence Day means Swatantrata Divas and Republic Day means Ganatantra Divas. Okay. So Ayush.
So just I want to say that on this day we celebrate Republic Day because on this day our Constitution of India came in effect. But that's the point that our Constitution of India was gotten written on 26th of November 1949. But it has gotten started on 26 January 1950 because of a reason. Because on 26 January 1930 there was a movement started. It was that Swadhina movement. In it, our whole freedom fighters started considering that we have gotten freedom. But in the other side, the Britishers were ruling them. When the Britishers start coming, they start their march, and after that, it is as considered as 26 January is also considered as Swadhina Divas. But also, so for it, our Constitution, father of Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, think that we should start it on 26th of January 1950 after 2 months. That's all about my.
Okay. Next, I am inviting Harshit Yadav. Please come on the stage. So actually, we independent on 15th August 1947. But actually, independence is not much. But we have our own constitution, because that time we didn't depend on that Britishers made Britishers constitution and Britishers rule. So Indians has started to make their constitution in the 1947, and they had completed their constitution in the year of 1949, and finally it's implemented in 1950. Okay. So actually, after a long fight and after a long journey and so many sacrifices of our freedom fighters and leaders, so after that we get this constitution, and right now we have so many rights and so many liberties.
Yes, it is right, and the constitution was written by the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was the chairman of the constitution, and also some other peoples also came into the to make a constitution, because a long time British rule us, and we are not independent. So all we didn't independent, sorry, my mistake. And there are some freedom fighters, many freedom fighters who sacrifice for us and give us freedom. So now some people thought that now we get independent, so we have to run our country softly and with peacefully. So the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and other people decided to make a book, so that all the rules and regulations are noted in that, and our constitution is only the book which can amend it.
Actually, our constitution is just like a flexible constitution, and our constitution is world's biggest written constitution. Okay, so actually we have so many facts about our constitution. Next, I'm inviting Tejal. Tejal will let you know us about constitution, Republic Day, and all. And actually, on this day, so many programs held in schools and all. So Tejal will let you know about that.
So, first of all, I want to tell you that who wrote the constitution. So, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar wrote this constitution, and
Sorry to interrupt. Actually, not only Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, actually all other committee members means they help to write the our constitution. Actually, means we said means Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was father of our constitution.
Means why constitution is important in our India, because in the constitution the rules and regulations are given there, and by that constitution we are able to live and we are able to help our country. Like if somebody is doing something and that is not means that is not right, so it is a crime, and if it is written in the constitution that it is not right, so it is a crime for that. And like that there are many things written in it, and we celebrate Republic Day to remember our constitution and give respect to our constitution. Like our prime minister go to the where our constitution is there, they just go there and give means put some saplings there and just give respect to the constitution.
Actually, so many programs held on this day. Okay, so next Aradhya will let you know us about some programs, school program functions, and some government offices functions also. Actually, government promotes this day as an Republic Day because it's a very memorable day for all of us.
Okay, so I think that school celebrates the Republic Day as they want also to children know about their constitution, how we get our constitution, and how many sacrifices were given to get our constitution and this freedom. So according to me, if we will give respect to our constitution, so it will be good for us only, because if we will be just knowing the value of our constitution, so other countries will never be able to just say to us that your constitution is just useless and your country is useless. Because if we will be knowing our constitution's rule and all the things that are written over there, so we will be able to tell them that do not do this, and our country is more good than you. And just like we have to know our constitution, because if we are knowing it, so if anyone is doing any type of crime and it is not written in the constitution, so we can just tell that do not do this, or if they are not doing that, so we have to complain to the police, then they will just set them, and that's all.
Yeah. Actually, means when our constitution has completed, that time 395 articles, but at present 400 plus articles in our constitution. So every Indians should read our Indian constitution. Articles actually means they have some fundamental rights, fundamental duties. Okay, some moral duties. Actually, if we just learn if we read our constitution, so we will just aware from our rights, values, okay, and morals. Next, Manvi will tell us about some points about Republic Day.
So in India, Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January because on 26th January 1950 our constitution was implemented, and that from that day every year we celebrate 26th January as a Republic Day, and from then from 26th January 1950 our nation called Republic. And on that day so many cultural programs celebrated in schools and so many other places to aware the pupil or students about Republic Day, why the Republic Day is celebrated, why is it important, etc. And on that day so many more things are celebrated to aware the student for the future. Like if the student know about the Republic Day, so our country is very improved and so many progress, and our country also get progress.
Actually, if we talk about our constitution leaders, means that time Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, means like that so many leaders, means just like Jawaharlal Nehru, Motilal Nehru, means actually they have a means long practice for preparing our constitution. At that we talk about some team of the constitution, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, our first president of the country. Actually, means they had a very important role. They played a very important role to complete our constitution. Okay. So that next Samyak will tell you about means what type of programs held in schools on this day.
So first, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. And this year in 2025 we are celebrating 76th Republic Day. First, I want to tell you why Republic Day we celebrate. So on this day, our Constitution of India came into force in 19. And our constitution was written by many community members, and we can also say that it is also written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And there are also many programs held in schools, like when teachers say that means you can participate in many things, like you can also give day and also tell you about to tell us about that day, what happened on that day, and tell us about the history, and also in dance performance, and there are also many things that held in schools.
Very good. Next, I am inviting Shrey. Shrey will also tell you about some Republic Day facts.
So first of all, happy Republic Day. And so we all know that today is our Republic Day, and we all students are here to means just give the Republic Day speech. So mainly the Republic Day is means Republic Day is a very very special day for each and every Indians, and it is very grateful for us, because we all know that our all leaders are just help us to means to make our constitution and just wrote our constitution. And we all know that the V.R. Ambedkar is the main leader, we can say that, for the constitution to wrote this. And we know that in schools, colleges and many places the Republic Day is celebrated to give more priority for the Republic. Thank you.
Actually, you know, means this is just a fact. Means our constitution is not only made only directly. It's a new constitution. Just like actually it has a part. Means different countries part we gather in our constitution. Just like some parts from America. Just like if we talk about some of judiciary part, means it's directly taken from American constitution, and some fundamental related parts, and some other parts in some Canadian constitution we have taken. So many parts we have taken from other countries. Okay, so actually it's an flexible constitution, and I already told you, means it's an world first, means large written constitution, and we have so many powers. And actually we have a parliament, means they have a power to implement some rules and regulations in our constitutions. And we have actually judiciary powers also. They will check means what the parliamentary is justified or not. Okay, next, Paridhi.
So first of all, happy Republic Day to all of you. And I want to tell you that it is celebrated because today the Constitution was published, and so many schools there are so many programs in schools, like the dancing programs and singing programs. They all are held to give tributes to those who write the Constitution, and to always remember about on 26th January our Constitution was published, and to aware the next generation about Constitution. And so I have seen mainly in every school the principal or the director hoists the flag on this day, and so many children buy flags also. But if they cannot care for the flag, so they should not buy it, because I have seen in so many schools the flag is means they drop the flag, and so many pupils pass it and step on the flag, so they should not buy the flag if they cannot carry it.
Very good. Next, I'm inviting Kush. Kush.
So first of all, I want to wish you a very happy 76th Republic Day. So it is a very proud. It is a very proud of for every Indian that we have our own constitutions and rule. And after 1947, we were free from the British rule, and in 1950 we got our constitution and our rules. In 1949 our constitution was ready, and then government checked it and read there, and they liked that and implemented that on 26th January 1950. And the first the f- and in according to me, and as I know that first flag was hoisted in Delhi or Kolkata. So that's all.
Another fact is that actually why we celebrate our just like Republic Day on 26th of January, because there was an 26th of November and it's an date, means that time our constitution was ready. So we take this date from that month, and we applied in month of January. So it's on 26th of January 1950. Okay, next I'm inviting Ishika.
Republic Day is National Day of India to remember the adoption of Constitution, which came into effect in 26 January 1950, and many freedom fighters sacrificed for the Indian independence, and British ruled in India above 200 years, and our Constitution, which ensures equality, right, freedom for all pupils, and it is the time to reflect India's progress in education, technology, healthcare, etc.
Actually, after an 76th Republic Day, we already celebrated. This year we are celebrating 76.
First, I tell you Happy Republic Day, all of you. In Republic Day, many school held programs like dancing program. Many students dance on the on Republic Day, and many student sing a song. And in a Republic Day, Republic Day, we can go to we go to our school and enjoy in our school. And India's constitution is very deep, like other and
Next, I'm inviting Siddharth.
So the day marks the Constitution of India on 26 January 1950. This day is this day is celebrated as the Republic Day of the India. On this day we get our constitution and India got and the first Prime Minister of India, Rajendra Prasad, holding the office from this date, from 26 January 1950 to 13 May 1962. Thank you.
Next, Purvi.
This day our own constitution we got, and we remember how our country became his own constitution, and this day we enjoy very much. And this day we see a parade with colorful floats and soldiers,
and there are many things we see and we celebrate it very happily. That's all.
Next, I'm inviting Arnav.
On 26th Republic Day, we celebrated on 26th January constitutionally in India because in the year of 1950 our constitution is formed and there's on that day some schools, university arranged some programs like singing competition and so on.
Next, Shumit.
Hello, all of you. Happy Republic Day. I will tell we celebrate 26 January in Republic Day. The India Constitution is made in 26 January, so 26 November 1949, and in this Constitution in the implemented 26 January 1950, and make the constitution all famous peoples in Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru ji, and etc. That's all.
So actually, we have a very good, great, and just like prosperous constitution. And actually, we are just like we can say that means we are happy because we have a very good constitution, and we are already applied our constitution rules and regulations in each and every sectors of our country. Okay. So next, I am wishing you all of you a happy Republic Day. Okay. And if you like, so please comment, share and subscribe our channel and share with your friends also.